Hello, I'm Sri Charan. My program for today is in order to find the weather report for a month that is going to be created like object. Here I need to initialize the value called object and then use a friend function to show the highest temperature, lowest temperature, and rain and snowfalls in the amount of for a month in an object. The friend function takes um, two weather report objects. If the summary the object can be one day's object and returns and updates the summary of the objects. If the day's temperature is high, it will show the higher temperature. If the day's temperature is low, it shows the lower temperature. um, I need to give a main function where it creates a month and weather report for the 30 days of report, now for which I've created a source code which you can see on the screen first. uh, this will be first appeared like um, I'm going to create a class called weather report where I'm going to declare day of month, highest temperature, lowest temperature, amount of rain and amount of snow. Based on the particular things, I'm going to declare it in either integer or double. And for this to happen, what I've done is, after giving the private, I've taken public, where created a function called get data, in which I've declared integers such as d, h, l, r, and s. And further, I've gone for void of showing data, which is also called as display function. Here in the friend weather report, I've used a friend class where it is friend of weather report, month and weather report month, comma weather report one day. In this void, weather report is used where get data of int d, h, l, r and double of r and double of s are used, where d is the day of the month, h is the highest temperature, l is the lowest temperature, r is the amount of rainfall, and s is the amount of snow. In this void weather report, I have given the display statement where I've used an if else statement where now if weather report is equal to day of month, which is equal to 30, then C out for the month and L is given. Weather report for day, weather report day of month and L. C out highest temperature is weather report high temperature, and the low temperature is weather report low temperature, and the rain is weather report amount of rain, and snow is weather report amount of snow. um, Here again it is used as an if else statement where if one day of high temperature is greater than month of high temperature, month of high temperature will be equal to one day of high temperature. If one day of low temperature is equal to the um, less than the month low temperature, and month low temperature is equal to one day low temperature, and month amount of rain equal to one day amount of rain, and month amount of snow is equal to one day amount of snow. Here I've used a main statement where I've given the weather report of the month, that is weather report of days, that is 30 days, and highest temperature h equal to 90 and lowest temperature low equal to 90, and the amount of rainfall to be 2.3.5 and snow to be 0. Months I've given get data to be 30, minus 20, 150, so on, etc. Now I've used a for loop in order to get the increment of increment of the index value and decrement of h and l, that is the highest and lowest temperature, and decrement of the rainfall. And for the days I've created an array called days of area, where I've given the get data, and further for j equal to 0 and j less than 30, j plus plus, this is also in order to get the month, and next I've given month of show data. I'm going to show the output now. This is goes as follows. This will be off. You can get here the dates of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12, so on till 30. That is all. Thank you.